Screw goes in loosely. Both move. Sticking about 1/8 of an inch. Grip release slide goes in place here. Adjustment link, move it freely. Cutter operating slide, should move freely. Add a little bit of grease into the cutter slot. This will help the cutters stick in place so that you can assemble them a little bit. Tab down on one, tab up on the other. This tab here goes into the slot first. Once that's in, then you can faceplate flush in place. Snug this screw. Swing around, should sit flat, clamp in place. Make sure everything fits in here, including this area in here, which is very important. So if you still can't get these to line up, raise the faceplate a little more. You can pry it up here. If this still doesn't line up, you can press this down to get it to line up. Once it lines up correctly, the faceplate should drop right in. If it doesn't drop in, make sure that both of these points line up. Once they're in, put the clamp in place. Clamp in place. Screw can be tightened also. Snug is enough. Tighten this down, snug it, back it off a little bit. Test to make sure the faceplate moves up and down. Using this screw here, faceplate should move. That's up, this is down. Okay, then you can tighten this screw. Once that's done, you can put the grip holder back in, grip spring holder. Screw in first, goes in on an angle. Use your finger to once you get it in there, this finger can you use to line it up so it lands in place. Make sure that the screw is easy to turn. Small screws, so don't force it. And test the grip. Make sure it opens and closes, which it should. Then we can put the tabs back in place. Get it about even. hub, pointy end up, like this, it says top, goes in like this. If you put it in the wrong way, it'll break on the first cycle. Up. And insert the swivel. There's only one way it can go. Tab up. Swivel operating spring in. There's a notch out in here. Put the notch in the spot. Drops in place. Bring it there. First thing to do is check to make sure that the head will move.